Okay, good morning students. So, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study again mathematics. So, but before we proceed to our lesson, so what is our lesson yesterday? So, our lesson is all about subtraction 0 to 10 horizontal method. Okay. So before we proceed to our lesson, we have online class rules. Okay. Online class rules number 1, sit down properly. Again, sit down properly. Okay, so you look at this boy. He is sitting down properly. Okay. And number 2, watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. So you look at this girl. She is listening carefully. She is listening to the teacher. Okay, so that is number 2 online class rules. Watch and listen carefully. And number 3, prepare your worksheets and workbook. So you have workbook, right? Primary Mathematics 1A and Primary Mathematics 1B. And you have worksheets also, everybody, okay? So you prepare your worksheet, and then after our class, our lesson, we're going to answer, okay? So once again, this is your teacher June, your mathematics teacher with teacher Mark. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about subtraction 0 to 10 horizontal line method. So yesterday we studied this already, but we're going to review and more practice, okay? More practice so that you are be familiar with this lesson, okay? About horizontal method subtraction, okay? So these are the vocabulary words in subtraction. Okay, number 1, subtract, subtract. Minus, minus. Less, less. Take away, take away. Decrease, decrease. Leave, leave. Fewer, fewer. Difference, difference. Okay, so this is all about subtraction vocabulary words. Okay, so what is subtraction? Okay, so the act or process of subtracting. Okay, a mathematical operation in which the difference between two numbers or quantities is calculated. Okay, so again, what is subtraction? So the act or process of subtracting. A mathematical operation in which the difference between two numbers or quantities is calculated. So that is subtraction. Okay, so subtraction can mean taking away or finding a difference. Again, can mean taking away or finding a difference. For example, 10 minus 8 can mean how many are left when you take 8 away from 10. Again, for example, 10 minus 8 can mean how many are left when you take 8 away from 10. Okay, so or 10 minus 8 can be interpreted as how much more is 10 than 8. Understand that subtraction is the opposite of addition. Again, or 10 minus 8 can be interpreted as how much more is 10 than 8. So understand that subtraction is opposite of addition. Okay, so this is an example of horizontal subtraction. Okay, what number is it? 10. Okay, very good. 10 minus 4 equals how many? 6. Correct. Okay, next example. 7 minus 7 equals, again, what number is it? 0. Okay, correct. So 7 minus 7 equals 0. Okay, so we learned this already yesterday. So we're going to review. Okay, so we're going to find the difference using horizontal method. Okay, so what are these? Dolls. Okay, how many dolls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. Okay. So what are they? Roses. Okay, so roses. So how many roses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 roses minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Very good. So the answer is 5. And number 3. Okay, what are they? Whistles. Okay, whistles. How many whistles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1. So how many? What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Very good. So in number 4, so what are they? Grapes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 bundles of grapes. Okay, 7 minus 4 equals how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay, what are these? Mugs. Okay, mugs. Okay, how many mugs are there? 5. So 5 minus 5 equals how many? 0. Okay, correct. Very good. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what are these? Mouse. 4 mouse minus 2 equals 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Correct. And number 7. Okay, what are they? School bags. Okay, how many school bags are there? 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay, what are these? Number 8. These are sharpener. Okay, how many sharpener are there? 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3. Correct. Number 9. What are these? Gloves. Okay, gloves. How many gloves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. Okay, the last one, number 10. What are these? Best. Okay, best. So how many best are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 3 equals how many? 1. Correct. Okay. So we're going to practice this also. Okay. So we're going to find also the difference using horizontal method. Okay. So you look at the picture. So what are these? Marbles. 5 marbles minus 3 equals 1, 2. Okay. 2. Okay. Ice cream. So how many ice creams are there? 7 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. 1, 2. Number 3. Okay, how many hats are there? Okay, 9. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, this one. What are these? Dogs. Okay, so how many dogs are there? 10 minus 1, 2, 3. So your answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay. 6 minus 2 equals how many? 6 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, what are these? Balls. Okay, how many balls are there? 8. Correct. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Okay, and number 7. Okay, so how many dots are there? Oh, 7 minus 2. 1, 2. So 7 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, number 8. Okay, how many babies are there? 8. So minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. Okay, and number 9. How many donuts are there? 9. So minus 7 equals 1, 2. So your answer is 2. Okay, how many cupcakes are there? 10. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. Very good. So you're going to answer this, but you've done already, right? So this is your... Okay, we're going to practice this once more. Then you have worksheet also. Okay, so 8 minus 1 equals, minus 1, the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So, number 9 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7 minus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so 8 minus 5 equals 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So this is your worksheet. Okay, so you're going to answer. Okay, find the difference using horizontal method. So you're going to write your answer in the box. Okay, 7 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 9 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 minus 5 equals 1, 2, 3. Correct. Very good. 6 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct. 5 minus 3 equals 1, 2. Okay. So, in number 6, 2 minus 1 equals, what is your answer? 1. Very good. Okay. And number 7, 3 minus 2 equals, okay, 3 minus 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 2. So what is your answer? 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay, and number 8, 5 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2, 1, 2. So what is your answer? 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 3. Very good. And number 9, 4 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 3. Your answer is 1. And number 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 3. Okay, so you're going to copy this on your notebook and you're going to answer. Okay, so that's all for today, students. So take out your notebook and copy this. Okay.